Hi guys, welcome to Simplifying Tech. So in today's session, we are going to check how we can record our PC or laptop screen with the high quality software. So there are different paid and free tools available to record your screen. So every tool has its own advantages and disadvantages. So today we came up with a tool which is highly configurable, which provides the high quality screen recording videos without any watermarks. So it is a completely free tool and it provides lots of configuration options that you can play with. So you can able to do the streaming also. So you can record the gameplay streaming also from your desktop. So there will be multiple windows open, so you can choose the particular window and you can record that window only. So that is possible with the tool named as a OBS Studio. So let's see further. So in the agenda today, so we are going to check how we can install OBS Studio, then how we can do configurations with the OBS Studio, then what are the initial settings that you can look for, then we will record one demo example, and then we will check how we can finalize the output into our file system. So let's get started. So go to your favorite browser and type download OBS Studio. So go to the first link. So here you can able to see the Windows release of OBS Studio supports Windows 10 and 11. So ours is a Windows 10. So download this installer. Click on this download installer. Yeah, so this download is started. So our OBS Studio is downloaded. So let's double click to install. So click on next. Click on next. So it is asking for destination folders. So you can adjust as per your requirement. So as of now we are keeping to the default one, and let's say install. Okay, so it is a completed setup. Let's click on finish and launch the OBS Studio. Okay, so this is the initial setup. So here it is asking for auto configuration wizard. So here you have to choose this option, optimize just for recording. I will not be streaming. So as per your requirement, you can select this option. So as of now, I am interested in recording only. So I have selected this. Let's click on next. Okay, so video settings. So base canvas resolution will be 1920 by 1080. So as per your computer or laptop aspect ratio, so you can select this resolution. So FPS will be by default. Let's click on next. Let's click on apply settings. So let's click on close this and do the full screen. So this is your interface of OBS Studio. So in order to record your screen, so we need to do some configurations. So in the bottom, so you can able to see some options. So here like you are able to see the controls. So like this is start streaming, then start recording and settings. So before we start the recording, so we have to do some more settings. In the left hand side, so you can see the sources. So you don't have any sources, click plus button in order to add one. So we need to select the source. Source means which source it will be getting recorded. So there are different sources available, like so suppose like you want to record only browser screen, so you have to select this browser. You want to record the particular audio input, include particular audio input in your recording, so you have to enable these settings. Or suppose you have one image that you want to record from your Windows, so you can select the image. So you can select the particular window, or you can select the webcam also. So suppose you want to record from your web camera, so you can select this video capturing device also. So as of now we want to record a whole screen of our laptop or desktop, so you can select this display capture. So here we are keeping the name as a default display capture, and let's say okay. So it is asking like properties of display capture. So capture method will be automatic and display is this primary monitor. So that is with this resolution and aspect ratio. So that is correct. So let's say okay. Okay, so you can able to see like our main desktop is like presented here. So this will be recorded. Now suppose you have a extra mic or you have a different audio device, so you can select this audio input capture. So let's select on this also and select okay. So by default audio input capture from the device, let's say okay. So these two sources we need to select, and you can able to see this audio input capture. So this is getting moved, that means it is recognizing our audio also. In the control section, so here is a setting option. Go to this setting options. Okay, so in general we don't have to change anything, so we have to see what is the output. So in the output, so put mode is simple, so you can so at the beginning, so you can keep this as a simple, and you don't have to change anything here, only the recording screen. So here, this is the recording path, see users admin windows, so you can choose accordingly. So whatever location from your file system you want to choose for saving your output of your recording, so that you can choose wisely. Then recording quality, it should be always a high quality medium file size. Then recording format, so by default it is a mkv, so I can select mpeg4 also, but here, like if recording other than mkv, so it will be unrecoverable. Suppose there is a crash of the application, or there is a, suppose machine is restarted, or our windows is crashed, in that case, so while recording our video, so that will not be recovered. So by default we have to choose this mkv format. Video encoder we have to keep as it is. Then you can go to audio settings. So here, like it is asking which audio you want to select, so I am selecting default one. So this is the default, so you can select this audio as per your input systems. We don't have to change anything. Video settings we have to keep same, and let's click on apply, and let's click on OK. So now you can see a start streaming option. So in order to, suppose you want to start the gameplay, so you can select this start streaming and start recording option, start virtual camera in order to record from webcam. So let's see one example, so where we are recording our screen. So let's click on start recording. Okay, so you can able to see this red dot, so and here the seconds are started, so that means our screen is starting recording. So now for a demo, so I'm just opening one application. This is a calculator application, so for demo purpose only. So let's close this and stop this recording. Okay, so our first video is recorded. Now let's go to our videos folder. So you can see this is recorded, so let's play this. So you can see, so we have opened this calculator, and this way, like this screen is recorded. Let's close this. Now one more thing is left, so output is in mkv format. So suppose like we want this video into mp4 format, that need to be uploaded on some platforms, so you can convert it easily into mp4. Let's go to file settings, and here you can see this remux recording. So we have to remux our file to mp4. So it is asking drop files to this window, so you can click on this three dots, and you can select this file, and here you can see this target file into the same directory, it is converting into mp4. Let's hit on remux. So you can see recording is remux. Let's go and verify if it is created. So go to videos, and you can see this mp4 file is created. You can see in the properties, so it is a mp4 video file. So this way, like we can convert it into mp4 also. So there are different options though you can explore. So this is the basic video recording session, so I have covered only the basic things. So this way you can start your journey of screen recording and making the content creation. Stay tuned for further interesting sessions, and thanks a lot for watching.